first spot would be the Osmeña Peak. Carabao!
I fell down.
We were lost. Look at Fran.
I don't know how many times I fell down.
Give me your hand. Hello everyone.
Where are we going?
We are going to the south of Cebu. So our first spot would be the Osmeña Peak. It's the highest peak here in Cebu, about 1,013 meters above sea level. We need to travel by car 3 hours more or less.
People are crazy, especially motorbike drivers. I almost just ran over one.
There's a lot of motorbike drivers here.
Yeah, the thing is that they are not scared at all. So they just jump into the traffic and they expect you to stop.
Yeah.
But that's not how we do it in Spain. We don't stop for motorbikes. They have to stop for us. Every time he sees a tree or a bamboo. European in the tropical country. Pork. Hello, pork. Fran in the middle of onion fields. Someone is growing them or they grow wild?
Yeah, someone is growing. Walking towards the entrance or the registration area of the Osmeña Peak. We were lost.
Learn to do things.
Hey, say something.
We are exploring new ways.
This is not the official way going to the.
This is to avoid paying.
Oh, meh. There's meh.
Oh, goat. Hello, goat. Hello.
Meh. Meh. ¿Qué pasa? We don't have a clear way because of the grasses. In the middle of the long grasses. Look at Fran. We are gonna try to fly the drone around this area. There are people in there. I guess that's the peak. Oh my god, poor Apam. He has many amorcicos. Careful with the plants. You are... Oh my god, you're killing two of them.
With my feet or with the drone?
Yeah, it's your feet.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I see now.
Super in love with the maldita, this man.
We found a cow or a bull. It's a bull or a cow. Bye bye, Mr. Cow. It's okay. I fell down. Elizabeth is mad because we didn't pay because we got lost.
No, I'm
It got dark and now we have to go back to the jungle to find our car again. I don't know how many times I fell down. Oh my god, I hurt my ass.
Philippine.
It's because I'm trying to record.
No.
Oh my god, my ass.
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Hello, Mr. Frog.
What are you doing in our way? Can we pass? Kukak, kukak. There's a dog. Hey!
Hello, doggy.
Doggy! Let's go!
Okay.
This is like 5 times already. It's night. Oh my god.
But
Get up.
This is the first time it's really hot.
Give me your hand.
It's too slippery.
Yeah, we need to be careful.
So, you know,
Nothing. I don't know. Every time he fell, I don't know if it's a mixed feeling of worried and funny. Because he looks so cute. How many times you fell coming back? 3 times only.
coming back,
And coming up,
coming up one.
no! We finally arrived at the feet of the Osmeña Peak mountain and we decided to stop by to grab some drinks and a snack. And Fran is currently looking at his videos, epic videos of falling down. This is our drinks. I get 4 Seasons juice and Fran get a mango.